One more interesting operator in SQL is the in and not in operator, right? Now the in and not in operator is also used to sort of filter results. So the query that we just ran, you saw that I put two or conditions where first name equal to Penelope, first name equal to Ed, or first name equal to Nick. I wrote first name thrice, right? Even though the condition was on the same column, I had to write it 3 times. Another way to write it is by using something called as the in operator. What is the in operator? It says, okay, until where first name in Penelope, Nick, or Ed. Okay, so if the first name has Penelope or Nick or Ed, it will throw the same result. Let's try running it. See, 10 records. You get the same result, right? This is the in operator. Moving on. The opposite of in, let's say the opposite of equal to is not equal to, right? So the opposite of in SQL is something called as the not in, right? If I use this same query, but just in front of in, I'll put a not, saying where first name not in Penelope, Nick, or Ed. It will give me how many records? Now let's run this. A 190 rows, which is correct, right? Because 10 rows have Penelope, Nick, or Ed. So this is the, now in is analogous to or. In is not analogous to and. Okay, because if you compare this in and what we wrote here or, it's same. Okay, so please be very aware of it. 83, give me all the rows from the actor table where first name is Matthew and last. Select star from actor where first name is Matthew and last name is Swank. I don't think there is any Matthew Swank, so 0 records, right? Everything is null.